Got to start recording. We're only a couple turns in. It's not too bad yet. Just my interest, nothing that big of a deal. I want the extra 2 mil. Whoa, 2 Lotus Cobras. Give me 2 more Cobras. No, not so lucky. Have to kill that. It's a law. Oh man, wish I had one more non-tappy land. I could bring home slice in. Oh, here we go. Yeah, I did call home slice. No regrets. I'm actually going to rename this deck because my plan for this deck, once I have it where I want it, I was going to call it Black Rain. So we'll play that. We will clone that guy. Mill 4 and then mill 2 more. It's got 34 cards left. Okay, end my turn. Oh, I wanted to steal a Zugin! You gotta live long enough so I can steal your Ugin. That'd be the second time I've stolen a Ugin with this deck. I just understand it's all about stealing. They're rogues. And why that deck had an Ugin in it. This Ugin can go in every deck. Oh yeah. This is probably gonna bite me. Yeah, this. I'm thinking about getting rid of these. I might leave like 1 and you just play it like turn 7 or something. Play the flip land last. If you got a basic and you don't have something that needs the colors you don't, so leaves your options open. My recoverable one. Real ones are a little more valuable than fake ones. And for 1. Go down. Okay, another attack like that, and they become 3/3s. Oh, I thought that was black. It's a little gray. So I'm not so scared of him. Let's play this tap land. Either way, it's tapped. This one's more versatile. Any of this stuff, am I afraid of it coming at my face? Nope, I don't think any of that's coming back. Yeah, this I'm afraid that might come back. Nope. I mean, I'm only thinking he's gonna bounce. Oh, he might shatter the... Okay. Go for counter spells, or shatter. Shatter's nasty too. Those creatures I'm gonna bring in. I might not win this one.
Terror lurks among us.
I'm gonna hold back on my creatures. And use this to draw some more cards. Oh yeah, and also get your ulti up. Some more stuff I can exile, the more I can play. You glass casting it for reals? For really reals? Okay.
The shadows awaken.
Oh, do I not have enough cards to exile? Yeah, hasn't killed enough of my stuff yet. Feels bad. It's gonna be a slow game. Or not. I hate control decks more than aggro decks. Response to you playing a mountain. I would have done the same. Probably an aggro deck, probably doesn't have anything. Ooh, double. Oh. It's got like everything. I'm scared of double damage more than anything else. I'm scared of all this. Especially since I don't have any counters.
All your fears are given form.
Who's ready for some hot-headed action?
You lack inspiration. Creeping, thieving progeny.
Okay.
What a hero.
This is getting exciting. Some fun times. Oh, man.
Lost my inspiration.
Just gonna pop an ulti soon. Yeah. Bring back those two if I can get 6 mana so I can, yeah, next turn. Okay, you can't block anyway, so you're gonna... I'll keep you on the ground just in case.
Leave me alone!
And she's gonna kill it anyway, so... Oh, I should have attacked. trophy. They got me. Whew. It's a good game. Whew. Mirror match. Hate these. Go silent, right? Pass. Pass. I don't want to bounce because they're just going to mill me for 2 more. But I'm ahead, so we're good. My turn. Boys, I hope they don't counter it. Well, if they counter, I'm countering their counter. You want to go? You want to go? You want to go? You want to go? Nope. I don't want none of this. Go drown the locket, right? Or what's that? What's that thing that can kill with 2 or less power? Wow, that's not what I was expecting. I don't think this is what they were expecting either. Thank you. Just let me deal another 2 damage. Oh good, got rid of another drown in the lock. Get 1 more land, and if they don't counter this, it's over for them, I think. Well played. That was a good play. Oof. Planeswalker. My win condition. My other win condition, but this is safer. There's... Let's go blue. That's getting to be a close race. One. I have no surprises left because I'm out of cards and they have... It's just going to be draw go, draw go. Pray, pray, pray. Three? Right. Get that. Do I have any one? I don't have any 1-drops dead, do I? Nope. Okay, so. You and you. That's fine. My game is sacked some of these guys. They got more in the grave than they don't. Yeah, I think I'm going to just block one. to get the 7 life, just to feel a little safer about my position. You're gonna take my serpent, aren't you? I'd take my serpent. Well, you take something that flies, don't you? Yeah. Well, you only get 6 back, and I can hit him for... I get back in my hand. Double block, block, block. Wait, no, cancel. No attacks. Block sack. I got a plan, because then it won't do any damage. I can cheese this out. And my serpent's gonna die, but I can bring my serpent back. Alright, 1 more land, this would be even better. Time to retire, boys. Time to retire. Until you've seen it all. Until you've seen it all. I don't want to sound cocky, but or like mean, but suicide is not the answer. Sometimes it's the answer. It's just not in magic. You can concede. You don't have to kill yourself. You can walk away. Life intact. I don't even know if I want to play another game. That was crazy. That was a nail biter too. That's rogue on rogue action right there. He has inferior rogues. I would say he has the superior rogues if you're not playing a rogue deck. He doesn't have the rogues that synergize well with rogues. Except he does have the enforcers. If you're not playing those thief guilds enforcers and you're playing black, you're dumb. I could probably make this work. I'll probably have to use that as a land. I hope I don't get my double black guys until I get a double black. But play that guy, come back on that guy, and then we'll decide if we need a land or not. This guy could just surrender now, and then give me my 15th victory, and I can retire for the night. I'm sorry I've been so silent. I need to get good at like talking, because like I wanted to make these videos entertaining, I want to be humorous. There's a lot of things I want to be, but sadly I'm none of them. One of them's good at magic. I just pretend. I pretend really hard, granted, you know, like, okay, I'm not gonna need islands. So, we're good there. Get the extra 2 mil. Okay, what's this guy doing? He's rocking Semic Adventures. He's probably is it Timir? Is that with red? Not bound. Bounds with white. See? I don't even know what the guilds are called in the clans. Not impressed yet. Not impressed. The double black's more important than double white, and I definitely don't need to worry about this anymore. Oh, actually right now, I mean double white, double blue. Double blue probably was more important because I need to use the blue. Just do this to draw a card. See what I get. Ain't doing anything else with it. Okay, rankle. We're gonna hit my 8 threshold soon enough. Just not this turn, so it didn't really matter. Next turn. I killed 3 lands and he has 2. It'd be so hilarious if his hand doesn't have any more land. just couldn't be that good, could it? Oh, okay. Cool. Not scared. Keep that. There we go. Anthem time, boys. Yeah. Oh, shark type. I wasn't expecting that. We got 2 clovers in the ditch already. Oh, it's good times, good times. I'm not playing rogues, I can relax. Or red aggro. Red aggro still stomps sick. And Boros soldiers and knights are pretty strong against me, and so's white. Sometimes white life gain can outpace me. I have some mono white losses, and white black clerics for the same reason. I'm pretty good against everything else. Like everything people are scared of, like scoots and Uro. Uro's nothing. I throw him in the graveyard for you to bring back, and I still handle Uro like he's nothing. I got a 7/7. What am I scared of a 6/6 for? I'll let it resolve. Oh, he's just making a token? Of course I'll let it resolve. But I'm not letting that resolve. Nice. Yeah, it's nice. I don't have enough stuff to exile, do I? I should have saved that thinking he might have an arrow in here somewhere, but I still don't see him. I guess your adventures become sharks, that's the idea. Might work, but... Oh, death... Oh! He's got black in there too? Oh yeah, because he's playing... Yeah, he's got black because he's been playing Rankles. Sorry, I'm taking a nap. So we can do against these adventure decks, you know, you can take a nap. It's like Simic Ramp, everybody's scared of that, and I'm just like... Just throw everything in the graveyard. And then exile his arrows and laugh. So there's a very few, like, there's so much in the ramping the mana, you just let them ramp up the mana, counter the top threat, exile the arrows, then chip. Yeah, sure. Doesn't have reach, doesn't fly. So keep on, and just... Oh, that's worse though. That does fly. I can kill my guys really easily. That is useless. You're just gonna die. I'm gonna sacrifice an island and jam my serpent down your throat. It's a big one too. 7. It's a big serpent. You need a brazen borrower. And that only delays the inevitable for a turn. I'm at 17. Whoop whoop. You're at 1. Not so much whoop. It's amusing to watch him, like, just pad out his turn. It's like playing footsie with me. I'm just gonna let him hit me. It's 5. Gotta attack with more than that. This level's distracting. The crab walking. The He did have a brazen borrower. That's why you have alternative ways to kill him. That's why you bounce one of his blockers. Don't let him have both of them. He could have had another turn. And his next turn would have dealt like, what was it, 1, 2, 10, 12 potentially to me. Yeah, he could have killed me because I would have to play and then wait a turn to play again. Cool. Peace, y'all. Thanks for watching.